Hello friends, this is round 9 of star, hearts and pineapples tablecloth. So to begin the round, slip a stitch on every stitch up to the first treble crochet. So slip a stitch, 1, on the next stitch, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then chain 3 to count as 1 triple crochet. So 1, 2, 3, then 1 chain to count as the chain 1 in between the triple crochet. So a total of chain 4. And then triple crochet on the same stitch. So the first V is made. A V that's composed of triple crochet, chain 1, and triple crochet. This is to increase the width of the fan. So we are calling the whole thing as a fan. So chain 1 and triple crochet on the next triple crochet. So after we make the V, the initial V to increase the fan on this side, then we make chain 1, then triple crochet 5 times more. So we already made 1, that's 1. We chain 1, and this is the second triple crochet. Second, chain 1 again, and the third triple crochet. Chain 1, the fourth triple crochet. Chain 1 again, and the fifth triple crochet. We fulfill that. So then chain 1, and we will make another V at the end of the fan stitch. So chain 1, we are doing this triple crochet, chain 1, triple crochet. Chain 1, so we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A total of 9 triple crochets, including the V stitches at the end on this pattern, fan pattern. Then chain 7. There is a chain 7 between the fan pattern. So chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and start all over again. We're making the same thing here. This is the repeating stitch, so triple crochet, chain 1, triple crochet. That's the V stitch. the beginning V stitch of the fan, then chain 1, triple crochet 5 times. So chain 1, triple crochet, that's 1, another triple crochet after the chain 1, that's 2, chain 1, triple crochet, that's 3, chain 1, triple crochet, this is the 4th, chain 1, triple crochet, this is the 5th, then chain 1, triple crochet, chain 1, and triple crochet, chain 1, triple crochet, chain 1, triple crochet. So another fan is made with 9 triple crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it helps to always count after a stitch pattern to avoid frustration of unraveling for mistakes. So we start all over again on this after chain 7. So I put a pin mark on the stitches that are to be repeated around. So it starts at the triple crochet and ends at the chain 7 at the last stitch of chain 7. So we will repeat this all around until we end the round, making a slip stitch on the beginning chain, on the 3rd chain of beginning chain 4. So this is the instruction for the repeating stitches from asterisk to asterisk. So repeat around. So let me do another set of the repeating pattern. Well, baby, I'm almost done, baby. Just a few more stitches, okay? I have to talk to my puppy. She is wanting my attention. V stitches are in place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so then I will repeat exactly the same thing I did here onto here. I'll see you on the ending of this round to show you how I end this round. So I'm on the last repeat of the pattern on round 9. So I'm gonna chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. and slip stitch on the third chain of the beginning chain 4. So 1, 2, 3. And that's how the round 9 ends. So I will see you on round 10. Just remember that there is V on each end of the fan, and I tend to make mistake and forget to put the V, and so that's reason for unraveling, and that's the reason I inspect after finishing each round to make sure that I put the stitches that are supposed to be there in each set of repeat.